Yo, what's going on? You know what I mean? Black History Month is coming to an end. We should be having the whole year, you know, Black History Month. We run this place. Get it? But yeah. So while I was gone, messing on the tube, there was some stuff going on besides me being sick. Sold the caddy, like mentioned in previous videos. Had some problems with the caddy. Got the caddy back, so the caddy is back. Yeah, been a lot going on. The Crown Vic on the 30s and the garbage, I stripped it. So now what's going on is I linked one of my brethren. I think he wants something about the car or whatever. He wants something out of the car. So we're gonna try see what he wants. Yeah, so the yard is empty. Well, it's clear. Empty from where the old car been sitting, you know what I mean? Yeah. We're getting ready to pull up to the house in a few minutes to see what's going on with one of my homies, you know? Let's go and let's get it. And look at Kilo G. Homie Kilo G sitting in traffic. That's what I was going to go call next. Kilo. Homie and the caddy on the deuces. See if I can pull up on him and see what's popping. You know? He look like he in the passenger seat. But I don't know. We gonna figure this out. Let the Mercury slide up on them, you know, do what we do in the Marquise, you know. Look at this old fuck nigga. Look at him. Look. Yeah, I got Kilo in the caddy. Deuces. Yeah, we can link up with Kilo in a little bit. See what's going on with him. Play catch up, I think. I might see what's going on with him right now. Let me see. See what's popping with Kilo G. Yeah, you see? What's going on, Pops? Everything good?
Yes, man.
Yeah, President Slow.
Yeah, you see? Kilo G.
How the thing go?
242 to the word. Yeah, man.
You know they better ask them.
Oh, because we telling them anyway.
We there.
Right on, so right there waiting on me. Yeah. Right home, park up like I ain't been nowhere, speeding on the road. So yeah, in this little Suzuki Swift on some little racing wheels. With a little red caliber Suzuki Swift. So, see it there? The spot is empty where my Vic used to be. Got an empty spot where the Vic used to be. It's gone. Got an empty spot where the Vic used to be. Got an empty spot where the Vic used to be. So, use my dog. He is with the squad. He is the only nigga never been on the vlog. So, shout out Zo. Tell him who you is.
It's rum.
Tell him who you is, Zo. No commercial for that lemonade. Just for you. Who you is, though? You ain't never been on the vlog. So
Never been on the...
Who this is?
This is Zoe. From the 242. You know, I drive like 4 cars or 3 of them on 28.
Let's go, bro.
You know, trying to get them work on right now.
Oh. That's the squad, just in case y'all thought it's a joke or game, you know what I mean? Yeah, but we ride anything. See the Marquis. I mean the mic though. Yeah, the beast over there, the monster. You see me? Yeah, so we in the back where everything is. What I stripped. The doors off of the whole car. Seats.
We just made about 1/4 of an inch off the front and off the car.
Or what?
Camino.
caddy is back. I tell you all the caddy back due to some technical difficulties with running though. Yeah, that's it.
Exciting is happening in SiriusXM.
Little
Now
wallet.
you can actually create your very own customized stations online and on the SiriusXM app with personalized stations powered by Pandora. Start with an artist you love and then make your new station just the way you want, with a thumbs up or thumbs down to the songs played. Plus, now you can watch some of your favorite SiriusXM shows with SiriusXM Video and hear over 100 extra channels we've just added. We're so excited about it all. We're giving you the first 6 months of all access. Our best package.
Yep. Everything percolating. Just gotta put the belt on, the belt off. The power steering belt. Because the belt has to change. So take it off to lessen the tautness. But other than that, caddy for sale. Check Chico. Caddy for sale. $2,800. 2005 CTS. Sitting on the caddy rims. I can't remember what size them is. There's some 15s, 16s, 16s. See it there? 16. 16-inch wheels. Clean the headlights. Got some mesh grill. But that baby poking out. I don't see him like that. You know? Yeah. But so boy come to try the alligator with these seats and things. You know? This old four-wheeler. Yeah. I know they ain't break that bad, bro. Ain't nothing. I can came to fix some soon as this little situation right now what's going on. I can figure that out, came to fix them and probably put one paint job on them or something, man. You know?
Only this piece break. That's it.
And then this one, yeah. And there somewhere I have a chip just like that and broke in the front. Yeah, break in the front. One of them other bend. I think the two of them right over there. The two of the brakes set right there. See it there? Yeah. What's right there? Right there. You see how the left right there? That brake. Oh yeah. Yeah. You see it?
Yeah, I see
it. Brake in there. But that ain't bad, this and that, but that's still small things, so small things. I ain't worrying about that. I still
selling these?
Not no more. Yeah, not no more. So that's all I take off there. Yeah. Yeah, so I out here, give you all a little daylight. Also remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. I got something coming for y'all. I got some news. I gotta spoil the news to tell y'all what it is. To blow what it is. There's some shit going on. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We out here. We can bring some more to you. Stay tuned. That's the first time a roof been on that building and yes, like 20 something years, and they using ice and water shield. That's why it's reflecting off the camera. Can't even see it. There you go. Yep. Stay tuned.